Happy birthday. Atis always loves you, okay? Be good girl and always be listen to your parents and always be praying. Enjoy the job. Going to school. Always behave, okay? Daddy's mommy and Lola's and Mama is Papa, but all of theirs loves you, okay? Remember that. I love you, baby.
Ang sweet ng message ni Tita Chris. Thank you so much. Another question tayo. About pa rin kay Chloe. Anong time pinanganak si Chloe? Exact time. O, dali, medyo mahirap yan. Bawal ka na. Ayun ba naman, exact time, yung time pinanganak si Chloe. O, go, dali. Guess lang, dali. 1, 2, 3. Sir, magbigay tayo ng clue, sir. AM o PM to, sir? AM. O, may clue na kayo. Okay, dali. AM pinanganak si Chloe. O, dali, exact time. Dali, 1, 2, 3. Pwede tayo mag-guess. Mula lang tayo. Dali na, sige na. Kasi after 2, 1.